In my last video, many of you left comments saying, "Milk made my H. pylori symptoms way worse. Garlic is supposed to kill the bacteria. So why does it burn so bad?" Today we're finally settling these two huge debates. Does milk actually help heal your stomach, or is it making things worse? And is garlic a powerful H. pylori killer, or one of the biggest mistakes you can make? Stick till the end. You'll discover exactly what to do with both so you can stop the guessing and start real healing. In this video, we're cutting through the myths with real science and practical advice. By the end, you'll know exactly if and how to use these. Why did milk even come up as an option for H. pylori? Traditionally, people used milk to coat the stomach and buffer acid. For some, it worked. But here's the problem most people face today. Cow's milk often causes rebound acidity. Your stomach ends up producing more acid after the milk wears off. On top of that, lactose intolerance, very common in adults, leads to bloating, gas, and extra inflammation. So what should you do instead? If regular milk bothers you, try A2 cow's milk, goat's milk, or better yet, kefir. Kefir is fermented and packed with probiotics that actively help fight H. pylori and restore gut balance. Start with small amounts and listen to your body. Next, the big garlic question. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful natural compound that studies show can be very effective against H. pylori. That part is true. However, raw garlic is highly acidic and irritating. If your stomach lining is already inflamed, eating it the wrong way can feel like pouring acid on a wound. Here's the correct way to use it. Crush or finely chop fresh garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes, this maximizes the allicin. Then mix it with raw honey or add it to a light cooked meal. Never eat raw garlic on an empty stomach, especially during a painful flare-up. Important truth. If you're currently in the acute phase with strong pain, burning, or bloating, pause both milk and raw garlic completely. Your stomach lining needs rest first. Focus on these gentle, proven healers: steamed cabbage, high-quality Manuka honey, UMF 10+ or higher, bone broth or collagen-rich soups. Once the pain calms down and your stomach starts to heal, you can slowly test reintroducing milk and garlic the right way. Remember, healing is not one size fits all. So to wrap it up, milk can soothe some people but inflame others. Garlic can fight H. pylori but can also irritate an already damaged stomach. Always listen to your own body. If this video cleared up your confusion, drop a comment below and tell me, which so-called healthy food has been making your H. pylori symptoms worse? Milk, garlic, or something else? I read every single comment. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more practical gut healing videos every week. Like this video if it helped you, share it with someone who needs it, and I'll see you in the next one.